We are so lucky to see the gentleman here, how he makes the masks. Like, such profession is long gone almost. There are no many young people who know how to make the masks. So it is, just him keeping the tradition. And it's so nice that they have this here in the museum, so you can see. Not every day, so we are very lucky to see this and have the beautiful snow landscape in the background. And the masks are actually not so heavy. So, 顔に乗せれば。あ、そっか。目が。あ、そうか。I see. So actually, if you put it, you can see. You see my eyes. So actually, you can see very good when you wear this mask. Wow, and there is space for your nose.
Can I take your phone?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. ありがとう。いや、あと持っていかねえんだ。新入れして登ってでそこから下山なんで。
Wow, and see the gentleman's shoes are so cool. 靴下すごくいい。旅かな。そうですよ。And you might think that these Namahage are demons or evil, but actually they are considered gods. So they are something good, and yeah, like really gods in the Japanese tradition of this place. Thank you so much. Lucky. Wow, and see, gentleman is making the protection for the arms. It might be 新しい作らなきゃいけない。
これはね、観光用。
そう。
注文ですこ
れ。でも一回作ったら何年持つ？
これは結構持つよ。これ素材が今の素材だから。
はい。お米のあれじゃなくて。And so this is the knife. It's of course made of wood and it's not dangerous, it's not sharp. And this is supposed to remove the blisters from your skin. So if you stay by the fireplace, you will get blisters, and this knife is to remove those blisters. And so that's why the Namahage walk around with this knife. That's the tradition, for the kids who were bad and staying next to the fireplace instead of working or studying. So they get those blisters, and then the Namahage comes and, scraps them away from your skin. So that's why there's a knife. The skin that you cut, the bubbles, you will put them in the bucket, and that's why there is a bucket too. And so these papers are, the Japanese shrines have this at the entrance. This paper cut is the symbol of God. So by the fact that the Namahage are walking around holding this, it shows that they are gods actually. So this is a symbol from the god. And the symbol as a god. See here, the shoes are so cool. Actually, they were really comfortable. And all made of such natural plants woven. But you know, like many cultures are doing such shoes, but these are so cool that they are like, see, it comes from down and twisted here. And so you are walking on double layer, so it's this layer and then it's twisted underneath, and that's why it's actually quite comfortable and probably quite, you know, secure. So seriously, other cultures who are making such, you know, plant shoes should learn from this, because these are probably the best in the world, because of course we are in Japan and Japan is best in the world at everything. And here you can see how it looks inside the mask. There is some protection to you know, to not hurt your face, your head, and then this is to adjust the size to match to your face. And this is how the professional Namahages are doing it around. So very cool. And there are 80 places in this OGA peninsula where they are practicing this Namahage. And actually this is on the New Year's night that they would go around the city and look for the bad kids or bad wives who don't work hard and don't study. And then they will come and scare you, and so that the kids will behave better next year. This is the role of the Namahage.